Hey, what's going on, everybody? WatchRaja here, and today we're talking about unbelievable new inventions. Before we get into it, if you could just hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all types of new content we're uploading daily. We're not going in any particular order of ranking, but we will be counting down today. I don't know much about these products, but I will be watching and discovering things in real time with you. So let's go. Alright, first up, let's see. We got Task 1 by Task Labs. Let's just see what we got here. Just going to be playing some videos and seeing what we got. We got this guy. He's got a drawer. I guess it's an iPhone tool utility thing. You can screw stuff in. Some pliers there, which is legit. A little bike key. Okay. A little clamper. Little wire. What? He's cutting steak with this? This is dope. Man. I don't need to go to my tool drawer anymore. I could just have this all on my iPhone. Okay, this is legit. Looks like it's got a bunch of stuff. It says, let's see, your iPhone is your life. You carry it all the time. You love your phone, but it falls short when you need to fix your bike, tighten a screw, or cut your steak. There isn't an app for that, but what if there was a case for that? 22 of the most useful tools are engineered into a package that adds no more thickness to your phone than a standard case. That's pretty cool. How can I fly with this case? Good question. The knife is removable in a few seconds with no tools, so it can be left at home and stashed in your checked luggage. In the event that you lose your knife, we sell replacements for only a few dollars. That's pretty cool. Will you use tool breaks and damage or scratch your phone? The tools are encased in a strong aircraft aluminum housing, which not only takes force tool use, but protects your phone as well. See the test video under the video. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool. This has been around for a little while. I don't know if it's available. It looks like there's a pre-order for it, but when you go to the link, it's kind of out of date. But pretty cool to see regardless. So why don't we check out some more stuff? Number 9. Let's see, we got the Keep Pods. These are, what are they? These, looks like they keep your AirPods in your ear so they don't fall out. Okay, that's pretty legit. Do you love exercising but hate when your earbuds fall out? Now, there's a better way. It looks like another case for your case of AirPods. Seems pretty practical. I see it in the scenario of like sports and drumming. I don't know how I'd feel running down the street with these, even though it's very practical. I wouldn't want to lose my AirPods. Just got those new ones with the noise cancellation, so but it seems pretty legit. I wonder it works for every earbud on earth, so it's not just for AirPods. It does not interfere with the sensors, which is legit. Wow, look at this design. It's pretty incredible. I don't know, would you guys use this? Is this something that's like practical? If I was a drummer, I'd definitely use it. But I don't know why you could. It sounds like you would use maybe better earbuds for drumming, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. This is the Ski Cosmo immersive ski simulator. So let's see what this is about. I'm not much of a skier. In my life, I have done both. I lived upstate, so there was a lot of snow, and it looks like this could help out people that might not be able to ski around or learning how to, feel. You ever play like those golf simulators? This is looks a little dangerous though. Looks like you could really jack your stuff up. A little treadmill for skiing, but looks fun. I think it would definitely help with, your ski game. This guy looks pretty excited about it. Let's fast forward a little bit and see if there's more action. Oh wow, it looks like a little video game. If this is not just for training, this could be for, I would see this in an arcade or something. So, alright, let's move on to the next thing. Number 7. We got a mask, the Clio mask. Let's see what this is about. Completely new kind of normality wearing a mask. Has never been so trendy, fashionable, safe. I don't know, guys. What are you thinking of this mask? It looks kind of a little crazy. I don't know if I like the fact that you can see through your mouth. Kind of. I see what you're saying. Like, you can see smiles and open it up if you need to. I mean, I don't know. I guess it's pretty cool. As we're just getting used to seeing people in masks, I don't know if people are ready to start seeing this. It looks like you're trying a little too hard. Looks like a shark mouth though. That's pretty cool. Powerful, useful, monitoring your health. Oh wow, it tracks on your phone too. I mean, I don't know, guys. Do you think it might be too fashionable? That's what I think. But that's pretty cool. All right, let's move on to number 6. We got human headphones, another headphone thing. Let's see. Okay. The first truly adaptive smart headphones. Innovative design delivers over-the-ear quality for the convenience of earbuds that snap onto a portable Bluetooth speaker. The design offers an ultra-secure fit and the style to wear throughout the day. Oh wow, okay, so they got her on the treadmill now. This kind of reminds me. Okay, so it has like the noise cancellation. That's pretty cool. This advertisement is wild. Back in the day when they started like innovating, headphones, and when it went from tape players to CD players, they came up with the headphones that kind of wrapped around the back of your head. That was groundbreaking back then, and now they have, look where we're at. I kind of want to see if it works with the speakers. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's better than a case. Let's see. Translates 11 languages. Wow. Actually, this is better than... If the AirPods don't start doing this soon, that's going to be ridiculous. Okay, so it acts as a speaker itself when you add them together. This is a genius product. The logo looks like it. I don't know. Seem to be a fan. Check out human headphones right there. This is the RXT1, world's first sparring robot. This kind of looks like Chappie right now. Some District 9. Comes to you from Strike. Let's see what this is about. It's the first look. Different ways you can use it. Home gym sparring robot that will develop and improve cognitive abilities and reflexes. Whether you are a boxer, MMA fighter, Muay Thai enthusiast, or just want to get a new and exciting workout, the RXT1 is the perfect home trainer. Alright, I'm not going to lie, I got into boxing for a little bit and I thought it was one of the most fun workouts, and I'm not a huge workout person, so I definitely recommend something like this. I wonder how much it goes for. Oh, it looks like it's a Kickstarter, so I don't know if it's available yet. This was back in September of last year when this video came out, so... But I don't know, guys. What if you're like getting up to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night and you see this in the darkness? Are you gonna, try to protect yourself? Oh my God! And this thing is also on the offense, so it could be actually like slapping you across the face in the middle of the night. It's pretty crazy, though. I seen like the boxing where your coach hits you with the stick and stuff, so pretty dope. I think this would be fun. I could see this in an arcade too. I know. Wouldn't you guys like... You've been seeing those videos of people punching those punching bags and falling? That would be super embarrassing if this thing knocked you out. So, but let's move on to number 4. That's pretty cool. Number 4, we got the FledgeTech Robotic Sunshade. Now, if you're in any place that is really hot, you probably have one of these sunshades for your, front window. This looks like it fits in your cup holder. Let's see what it does. Okay, a little cool spiral. The purpose of this is to eliminate problem areas surrounding internal car temperatures, to reduce redundant processes that aren't beneficial for the driver in the long term. It is about serving communities and the ability to enhance time efficiency, promoting the diligence of using sunshades for car interior protection, and for these aspects to impact the lives of positively. So, I think this is a really cool invention. I never used these, but I should have. The sun can do a lot of damage inside your car, just like if you ever touched anything in there when the sun's been beating. Things like can melt sometimes, or just, get faded and crack. But I know people that use these diligently, actually, like one of those And I mean, it's easy enough. I mean, I don't know what's the difficult part of this, but I do see, like, you know, I feel like these cars should just already have something installed like that. Like, they got the visors. Why can't we just get a visor for the car? Seems like a little, I don't think that would put too much weight in there, but I think this is a very practical invention. So let's get one more look at it. Pretty cool. Okie doke. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3, we got the coolest mouse ever. The Fledge Tech. Oh no, that was the last one. The Padrone Ring. So this is a beautiful, wearable, magical ring that turns your desk into a giant touchpad. All right, let's see. Okay, can get wet. That's legit. It's kind of stylish. I would like it. But are they using the ring to get into their car? That's cool. Damn, that's really dope. For a ring, you just use your mouse, move your hand around. I think that's cool. I don't know, guys. Would you rock it? Would you rock it all day like these people are? I'd probably take mine off. I wonder if it comes with a cool ring box that you can keep it in, charges it up or something. These guys are having a great time with their ring. I mean, what are they doing with it at dinner time right now? I need to know. Alright, let's move on. Oh, cool. A little charging station. Awesome. Let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is... Well, number 2 has beer. It looks like an in-ground cooler for outside. You can stack up to 15 beers on this thing. This is, I think, a German company that made this, so I can't really read the description of it, but it looks to be waterproof. I mean, I like to drink beer, I think, and I like to be outside on a nice, back porch, so this looks like a very practical thing. I wonder if it comes with that little drill to drill this thing in there. I don't know. This seems kind of dumb. I mean, if you want a hidden refrigerator for your beer, you would have to really drink a lot of beer. How does this pull up? Looks kind of impractical. Like the lid doesn't even... Okay, well, it comes up by itself. That's legit. I don't know. I think it's a pretty cool idea. I mean, how much do you party, though? Check it out. It's called the Hopfen Hole. Hopfen Hole. I think that means beer hole. So, interesting. Alright, our number 1 invention here, we got the Lexus hoverboard. These guys have made a full functioning real life hoverboard. I'm a huge Back to the Future fan, so right here is one of the coolest things ever that they actually have gone to the future where we have hoverboards, and not just like the fake ones that being called hoverboards. This one's actually hovering, and it's by Lexus. Let's see what it says about it. Not much, but it looks like it's like got some type of propulsion on, can go on water. Let's see what this guy's about to do. He looks pretty serious. We got the engineer here. This guy's sweating because he's like, I'm a skateboarder, but wow, very, very cool. And then, of course, he's doing it over a Lexus. Wow, cool. See, if I was a skateboarder, I would totally have one of these, but so cool. It must be pushing out so much air to make it float. I wonder if it has magnets. Must have magnets. Man, that's some real Back to the Future stuff. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed those inventions. We're going to do this series a lot, so I'm just going to be picking out unbelievable inventions all the time. So let me know what you guys, if you guys like these like things, if you guys want to see any type of video, I can definitely do it. We're doing stuff on movies, stuff on tech, but these top 10 things are fun to do, so I like showing them to y'all. So thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think of these unbelievable new inventions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. We'll talk to you soon. Later.